Ecuador, a gem of environmental diversity and cultural richness, stands out with its remarkable contributions to science and history. Nestled in northwestern South America, it hosted the pioneering scientific expedition led by Charles Marie de la Condamine to measure Earth's circumference. Influential naturalists like Alexander von Humboldt and Charles Darwin conducted groundbreaking research here, shaping modern geography, ecology, and evolutionary biology. Known globally for its exports, Panama hats, cacao, bananas, and petroleum, Ecuador's economy thrives alongside its growing tourism appeal. With bustling cities like Guayaquil and Quito, it offers a captivating mix of urban vibrancy and breathtaking natural landscapes, drawing visitors from around the world.